This drone doesn't follow orders, it decides who dies. And the person pulling the trigger might not even be human at all. We are witnessing the death of human warfare and the rise of AI-controlled conflict. If you think the wars in Ukraine or Gaza are terrifying now, wait until the machines stop asking for permission. Forget treaties. Forget soldiers. This is the era of autonomous weapons. And the most dangerous weapon on the battlefield is no longer human. Right now, in Ukraine, Azerbaijan, and in the Middle East, autonomous drones are actively targeting and eliminating enemies without direct human command. Take the Kargu 2 drone, developed by Turkey's STM, a quadcopter with facial recognition and autonomous kill capability. It was reportedly used in Libya in 2020 to hunt and eliminate targets independently. Price tag? Just 15,000 USD. Then there's the Switchblade 300, an American loitering munition. It can hover, observe, and strike with precision, all from a backpack. Its cost? $6,000 per unit. These drones don't hesitate, they don't sleep, and they don't question orders. And when deployed in swarms, they are nearly impossible to stop. Once a YouTube novelty, robot dogs are now in law enforcement and military labs around the world. Boston Dynamics' Spot retails for 75,000 USD, but militarized versions being developed in China and the US feature automated targeting systems and mounted rifles. Ghost Robotics even showed one off with a 7.62mm sniper rifle on its back. These dogs are faster than humans, more stable in rough terrain, and don't panic under fire. They are loyal only to the code. And when paired with AI facial recognition, they become roaming weapons with autonomous kill capacity. Traditional missiles followed mixed paths. Modern missiles think while on the fly. The Israeli Harop is a loitering drone that acts like a missile, but it can loiter for 9 hours, search for signals, and choose its own target. Its price tag? Around 70,000 USD. China's CM501XA is an AI-guided anti-tank missile that can be fired from drones, trucks, or ships. The US is developing similar systems under DARPA's Longshot program, basically aerial drones that launch missiles mid-air. We're talking about missiles that can dodge defense systems, analyze mid-flight, and decide whom to kill based on pattern recognition. Single drones are deadly, but swarms are nightmares. China recently unveiled a swarm of 200 drones from a single truck. The US Navy's Locust program has launched dozens of AI drones simultaneously from fighter jets and ships. These drones work as one, sharing data, adjusting tactics in real time, and overwhelming targets with sheer coordination. One error is not catastrophic. One mistake doesn't break the formation. That's the power of swarm AI. And it's terrifyingly cheap. Swarm-capable drones can cost as little as 2,000 USD each. Now, some AI doesn't carry a weapon, it decides where the weapons go. In Israel, the Gospel AI system was used in Gaza to identify and prioritize bombing targets. In the US, DARPA is developing Firestorm, an AI battlefield coordinator that decides who fights where, when, and with what. China is reportedly testing an AI general simulation engine to direct battlefield tactics in war games. The cost? Millions in R&D. But what's a few million compared to controlling war itself? We are replacing human judgment with algorithmic calculation. And when the AI makes a mistake, who do we hold accountable? Autonomous ground robots are rolling off assembly lines. Russia's Uran-9 is a robotic tank with autocannons and thermal targeting. China's Sharp Claw robots are designed for reconnaissance and close-quarters combat. These machines are not remote-controlled. They use pattern analysis, heat detection, and onboard AI to identify and engage. The cost of a single robotic ground unit? Between 250,000 and 1 million USD. But how do you fight a machine that doesn't bleed, doesn't hesitate, and doesn't even fear death? We are closer than ever to a war started and finished by machines. A hacked signal, a misclassified target, a rogue drone interpreting a simulation as reality. Once defense systems are all automated, missiles, tanks, drones, surveillance, and counterattacks, It only takes one AI anomaly to spark catastrophe. Think this sounds extreme? The Pentagon already has protocols for AI escalation, and China has simulated AI-led invasions of Taiwan. The Cold War is heating up, with machine logic at the trigger. The US Navy has initiated the highly classified Songbo program, awarding a $29.9 million contract to Coherent Aerospace and Defense. Their mission? Build a 400-kilowatt laser weapon system powerful enough to destroy drones, missiles, and future hypersonic threats in midair. Unlike traditional missile defense systems, Songbo will merge multiple 50-kilowatt modules into a single high-precision beam. That's 4 times the strength of the current LAWS system, and it's light speed fast. If fully approved, Songbo will continue development through January 2027, becoming a critical part of the Navy's layered defense strategy. Imagine a defense wall combining hypersonic counter missiles, AI targeting systems, and now lethal lasers that never run out of ammo. Yes, this is real. We are building Star Wars-style weapons minus the lightsabers, but with enough power to incinerate a drone swarm in a flash. The future battlefield will not just be silent and invisible, it'll be instantaneous. The war of tomorrow will not be between men, it'll be between machines, built by humans, controlled by no one. And once it begins, we may never be able to stop it. The machines are ready. The question is, are we? Subscribe to Quantum Spark, because what's coming doesn't care about warnings.